Hi lovelies, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. I am back. I am so excited to be filming again. I have been away from making YouTube videos just for a little while as I have been very busy, hard at work, writing my second book. I am so excited to be making this video though because it's a very special announcement to let you know that my new book, Work-Life Balance Survival Guide, How to Find Your Flow State and Create a Life of Success, is officially available for pre-order. I'm gonna leave links down below and you can order or pre-order yourself a copy today. It also comes with a bunch of bonus material, including a self-care planner, my own productivity playlist to listen to and get you into that state of flow, and a bunch of other things as well. So the official release date is August 9, so we are really getting close to that date, and I cannot wait for you to get your hands on a physical copy as well as me, because I haven't even seen it in physical form yet. So I can't wait to share the unboxing of that too. So I just wanted to share a little bit about this book, who it's for, why I wrote it, and if you're experiencing any troubles in particular, then how this book can help you. So this book is your step-by-step guide for how to maximize your productivity, optimize your days, stress less, and essentially get everything done that's important to you without the added feelings of overwhelm. So as you know, I am very passionate about productivity and well-being. So it's really important to take a holistic approach to productivity. And this book is not just about how to get more things done in less time. I mean, you will learn that, but I wanted to take a really holistic approach to productivity and also get to the root causes of why we find it so hard lately to sit down and get our work done, to actually focus, to maintain our level of concentration. Because this way, when we get to the root cause, we're able to create a long-term solution for these challenges. Also, I feel like we live in such a busy and demanding time that it is so hard to find any time in our days for enough self-care and to really look after our own well-being and mental and physical health. And so I wanted this book to really help you maximize your productivity, so when you're working, you're really able to get all your stuff done even faster than you otherwise would, so that you have plenty of time for things like self-care. And also, unlike a lot of those books that I've read that talk about the importance of self-care or self-care ideas, I really wanted this book to help you create more time in your day for those important things, to look after your mental and physical well-being, and not to feel guilty if you're resting and worrying about a long list of to-dos that still need to be completed. So this book really does take on a very holistic approach to productivity and work-life balance, and I am just so excited to be sharing all of the lessons and the things that have helped me along the way to really create a more sustainable lifestyle for me, where I can get my best work done and write a book in a really short amount of time while still taking care of myself. I just really can't wait to share all of those stories and lessons and advice with you all. So essentially, I deep dive into this idea of work-life balance and give you practical tips for how to restructure your life to more effortlessly get more done in less time. So this book is for you if you've ever found yourself lacking motivation, staring at a blank wall and struggling to be productive, or you felt lost, unmotivated, or lacking structure in your days because you don't know how to get your life back on track and regain that sense of control. Or you've experienced burnout and brain fog, exhaustion, and you felt stressed or overwhelmed by your growing to-do list and jam-packed schedule. And this book is also for you if you're wanting to increase your productivity and focus, optimize your days, and enhance your well-being and mental fitness. So when you read this book, you're basically going to go from procrastination to productivity, from burnout to balance. So make sure you click the link down below. It's available for pre-order, basically anywhere that you would order your books online: Amazon, Book Depository, Booktopia. When it's out on August 9, it's also going to be available in most of your leading retailers and bookstores. So I can't wait for you to get your hands on a copy. Make sure you do now though. Make sure you pre-order and get access to all that bonus material too. And if you're just really excited for August 9, please leave a comment down below letting me know and just share in my excitement. I'm just so thrilled to be gearing up for the launch and to be sharing this resource with you all very soon. So I'll be back with more videos coming up in the next couple of weeks because I'm officially back on YouTube. I have more time to film videos and to just be creating new content for you all, so I can't wait to share that too. But in the meantime, go pre-order my book, Work-Life Balance Survival Guide, How to Find Your Flow State and Create a Life of Success. Mwah. Bye.